Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are diving into how to connect Shopify to Google Merchant Center. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify page and in the new tab, open Google Merchant Center. Google Merchant Center helps you drive sales and reach more customers. Once the page is open, sign up and choose the Sign into Merchant Center option to create an account. You will be asked a couple of questions. The first question, do you sell products online? Click yes and paste your website link from your Shopify store. If you don't have a physical store, choose No. Then click the Continue button. Insert your business information like name and country. Tick the checkbox and click on the Continue to Merchant Center. Our Google Merchant Center is successfully created. Now let's go back to the Shopify and work on linking our store with the Google Merchant Center. Click on App, then All Recommended Apps, and click on Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Google and YouTube. Select the application and start installing it to your store. Let's start setting up the application. Click on Connect Google account. Your Google account is now connected with your store. If you want to receive updates from Google, click the Turn On button. Now, we need to fulfill some requirements before linking our store with the Google Merchant Center. First, add a valid payment method. Second, create an online shop. Then add a return policy and terms of service. Finally, confirm. For the return policy, Shopify provides a template for all policies. I recommend using the template and editing as necessary. Once you finish, save and return to the previous page. As you can see, it's marked as complete. Continue with the next option. Click on the link and confirm to add contact information to your store. Finally, click on Create an online shop. Give a name for your homepage and pick a plan. Once done, you can connect your store with Google Merchant Center. As you can see, the merchant name and ID are the same. What we need to do is pick a plan and click on the Connect button. Thank you for watching.